Hey everyone, this is David, back again making another video. I'm converting a small part of my basement into a bicycle Brompton workspace. Basically putting all my spare parts, my tires, my tools, and everything into a small enclosed space. So this is what it looks like so far. As you can see, I have a couple of front tires here with marathon tires. This is a front tire for a Brompton. This is a rear tire. So sometimes what happens is maybe I get spoke damage or this is actually just a spare. I can always swap this out with the existing bicycle I have, and it works out pretty good. Sometimes you have a broken spoke or something goes on wrong, mostly with wheels, so it's easy to swap it out. I have a Travoy trailer here. I rarely use this, so I thought I'd be using this a lot more, but I rarely use this. You can see that you can put a lot of stuff in here. I have this XT90 extension cord, so I can put a battery in here and run it from my bicycle. I have a bicycle pump with some old marathon tires, which I've done in another video, but you can see I have a couple of snow tires, which I don't plan to use it anymore. I got a couple of marathon tires, maybe a Kojak, basically just some marathon tires. I just pull these off bicycles. I don't use these anymore. And a bicycle pump, which I use once in a while, but not really for my Brompton. Maybe just to fill up that tire over here. Now this is these are 36 spoke rims. You can see that they're made by a company called Crystalite. They make hub motors. And I bought two of these because they're hard to find and hard to get. This is a old Brompton Nice Wheels hub. I burned this thing out, unfortunately, but the rim is really good and the spokes are still good. So eventually, what I'll do is I'll take off the spokes and the rim and use that for another bicycle or for another motor. Now you can see that I really love Tannus tires, so I buy them when they're on sale. So these I get them for about $50 each when they're on sale. So you can see that I have 5 of these in blue. I have some assorted colors, and I don't pick them. I just buy them when they're on sale, mostly from eBay, and I've bought them from Noble Cycles as well. Black is always a great color to have because they don't get dirty as often. And in here are all the tabs that you need in order to ride. So this is basically my Brompton collection, Brompton tires. One thing to note is that these tires do wear down. They're good for a few thousand miles, and I'll say that it takes I use about 4 a year. So let's say I've about 1, 2, 3.5 or 4 years of tires I have, which is good because you never know if these will be discontinued or if they'll be changed to something else. And I really do love these tires, so that's why I have so many. I'll even probably buy some more, but this will probably be good for 30,000, maybe 40,000 miles, which is great. So just wanted to show you my wall, what I'm doing here. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.